Hello viewers and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favourite cities in the world, Chester. Located in the northwest of England, Chester is a stunning city with a rich history and culture that's just begging to be explored. From its ancient Roman walls to its charming medieval architecture, Chester is a city that's steeped in history, and as you wander through its streets you can't help but feel like you're stepping back in time. One of the city's most famous attractions is its Roman walls, which dates back to the 1st century AD. These walls are incredibly well preserved and they offer breathtaking views of the city and surrounding countryside. Chester is also home to some incredible architecture, including its stunning cathedral. This beautiful building has been standing for over 1,000 years and it's a must-see for anyone visiting the city. And of course, no visit to Chester would be complete without a stroll along the River Dee. This picturesque river runs through the heart of the city and it offers a peaceful and relaxing way to explore. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video be sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel content from around the world. It's absolutely free to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button if you've enjoyed this video. It really helps us out. See you in the next one. Okay viewers, let's start.
Can't get enough of this old world. Another auctioneer, a fist inside of his mouth, watching it happen. Tide rolled in and washed us out. What was enough back then is more than enough right now. Train with love lights on, or how the rainbow bends, turn around and it's already gone. I'm watching it happen. Trouble at hand that everyone saw. I thought I knew back then, but I knew nothing at all. Shaking, hungry hawk on a power line. I thought the message sent, I thought it was clear by now. Watching it happen, death rolls in like a wave at night. Ain't it mystical, becoming nothing at all.
Hello viewers and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Chester. Let's go and take a look around and see if anything's changed.
spectacular buildings, absolutely beautiful.
Midnight, driving your Mercedes. I've been up calling you baby. My eyes wild from the passenger side. White sheets, your hands, they go where I go. Palm trees swaying out the window. I'm tired, but stay up just to stare in those eyes. In my past I'd erase it and start over with you. You know that you make me want you to forget yours too. You're giving me a run for my money, sweet like honey, ocean white and blue. You're giving me a run for my heart is gone forever. I just lost it in you, I lost it in you. Lately I've been terrified, wanting you is scary. I know that it is rare to find you. Make me aware that I could have forever verified. I love it when you tell me that I do. Falling for you is my point of view. Yeah. You're giving me a run for my money, sweet like honey. You're giving me a run, but my heart is gone forever. I lost it in you.
And everything just slowed down. I felt falling in love. Everything that I
Thank you so much for tuning into our YouTube channel. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We appreciate each and every one of you for being part of our community. We can't wait to bring you more exciting content in the future. See you all next time for another fun and engaging video. Stay tuned and keep spreading the love. Thank you again for watching and supporting our channel.